We've seen cuts to all of the special teachers that assist our students in our schools district-wide. It's unfortunate that we've seen the loss of special education counselors, speech and language pathologists, and it is impacting the students in their schools. There's no denying that. We need to take a hard look at the funding that we're going to have over the next 3 years and how we can best utilize that to meet the needs of students in our schools. It's having been a former principal of both an elementary and a secondary schools, I value the work that all of those people do, and they support regular classroom teachers who are on the front lines every day working with our children, and we need them all in order to be successful. It is unfortunate that our deficit elimination plan lasts for the next 3 years. The reality is we have to pay that off, and we need to balance our responsibilities and our obligations to the provincial government with the needs of our students, and it isn't looking very good for the next 3 years, to be quite honest. If you elect a board who are progressive and thinking about the needs of students, we might be able to make some change. So I would encourage you tonight to listen to all of these candidates and elect some people who think in those terms and will support and protect the future of the education in Langley. Thank you.